Hi. So in this video we'll learn how to send messages to Azure Service Bus using queues and using Node.js. So let's get started. So first of all we'll have to create a service bus. So just click on the service bus or just search for the service bus and you'll get it. So first of all we'll create a namespace. So click on the create and select your resource group or create the new resource group and enter the unique namespace. So I'll just try ASB001. Okay, it's available and pricing here I would choose a standard one. Click on the review and create. Click on the create. So now go to the resource, click on the queue or create a queue, or you can directly click over here in the navigation bar and click on the queue. So what I will do is QE001 and I'll go with the default values. Now I'll go to the command prompt and go to your working directory. I will go to work and ASB node 001. I'll make dir, go to ASB 001 and I will try npm init. Okay, package name ASB node. Okay, version by default entry point I use app.js and go with all the default one and just click on a code that it will open the Visual Studio Code. Click on the terminal. So as we have uh, declared the app.js as the entry point, so I'll create app.js and here I will start with importing the packages. So first of all, if you want to connect to queue, we need some packages from the Azure Service Bus. So constant service bus client is equal to required @ Azure Service Bus. Then what we require is a connection string. So I'll go with connection string and make some comment as well so that it will be helpful. So this will be required. So go to the Azure portal and go to the service bus and click on the shared access policy. Click on a root manager and select the and copy the primary connection string and put over here and assign to connection string. So connection string to your service bus namespace, it will give an access and import the packages. Then we have a queue name. So now what we'll do, we'll create constant QUE name equal to our queue name is what we have created is QE001. Okay, so let's put a comment over there. Then the third one is create a service bus client. So how we can do it? So this is SB constant SBA client is equal to new service bus client, and then we'll create a sender for queue, and that will be from the client, and we'll pass the queue. So using this ASP client dot create sender and passing the queue name, we create a sender. Now we will create array of messages. So using a simple create an array messages. Okay, and in the function itself we will send the messages. So first of all we will create the messages and send the messages using the sender.send messages, and will console.log and will print whether the message got successfully or not. And then we'll have block of. So this is the declaration of the message, and now we'll send the messages. So after completing the messages, we'll close the sender, and then after we close the SB client, and if there is an error, it will print into the console. So let's try to npm app.js. Sorry, node app.js. So what is the problem? Module not found. So what is the module not found? We do not have this module in the package or JSON. Okay. So what we will do, we will install the two modules, Azure Service Bus and Azure Identity. So this should be installed pretty soon. Okay, so now again we will try running the Node.js, and it says send 3 messages to queue. So now let's check on the portal. Go to queues, select the queue, go to the Service Bus Explorer, and we can see there are 3 queues, 3 messages into the queue, and just click on the pick from start. So you can see hello world from node, hello again from node, and hello there from node. So this is again a very simple example. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.